Hey y'all. It's like what the fuck I just we at Burger King. Yeah, so I'll see y'all in a minute when I load up this van and show y'all how I organize and stuff like that. I might have to Good morning, lovely people, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is more than likely going to be a weekly vlog. Oh my god, but a weekly vlog. I cannot talk this morning. My apologies. I don't know what this vlog is going to consist of at all. I'm just going to be picking up the camera when I am able to pick up the camera. You might go to work with me. You might go shopping with me. You might go out when I'm walking my dog. I don't know yet. I just know this week you're going to see a week in my life. For people who are new here, my name is Asia. I go by Asia on all my social medias, only because Asia is a common name and I like the Asia. Anyway, so if you are a returning subscriber, drop an A in the comments. Let me know what's up. You know, I appreciate you returning, coming back. You know, but that's it. I just wanted to start this vlog off, get it done, get it out the way. I'm currently sitting in Dunkin's parking lot at 7:37 in the morning, eating my breakfast, drinking my cold brew, and just waiting to go to work. It's kind of hard to record while I'm at work, only because I'm a delivery driver, so I work for Amazon. So imagine jumping out 100 times a day. That's just a low number, but just jumping out over 100 times a day, you know, giving people their packages or dropping packages off, and I can't be pulling the camera out. So I gotta just figure out a way how I could just get everything together so you'll be able just to see like a day in my life as an Amazon delivery driver. But other than that, this is a cold brew. This has 3 caramel swirls, 3 vanilla shots, and 3 cream. I try to imitate a caramel macchiato without paying a caramel macchiato price. So that is about it. So stay tuned, enjoy. This was a long ass intro, very long. Let's see if I can short this up. Hey y'all, just checking back in. Today you're gonna see like a little bit of my life as being an Amazon driver. I can't go too much into details, so I'm just gonna show y'all the basics without, you know, getting myself in trouble, as I say. This is my van. It's not really filled or anything because it's pretty much the middle of the day for me. I completed already 70 something stops, only got 60 something to go. So you're just gonna see a couple glimpses of what I do, how I get myself organized. That's about it. So I'll see y'all in a couple minutes or a couple hours. Y'all, guess what? So I was always one of those, I don't know, y'all can call me a Kardashian hater, whatnot, but I would not support, a Kardashian. And my favorite Kardashian was always Khloe. But then a couple years ago, when she started changing her body and her face and all the other, she lost my support. But why was I just in Family Dollar, y'all? And freaking, I found the cutest thing ever, right? So cute, 2-in-1. Only freaking $6. Ooh, come on, focus on the damn shit. Anyway, it was only $6, right? And I didn't even realize it was Kendall and Kylie until I got outside. But it's cute, so you know, this is the only thing I bought and supporting them. I'm gonna throw something on the name. It's like, I'm just playing, but this is like super cute. It's a 2-in-1. I kind of just go around with this and my little cards in here. I got purses and everything. It's just too much. So now we just gonna transfer everything up in here so I can just go around with this. And got a little, not a wristlet. Yeah, this is not a wristlet, but I probably can go on Amazon and find me a wristlet to put up on here. But yeah, that is my Family Dollar find today. That was it. Hey y'all, so we is back. I meant to finish my video from the other day, but I never did it. So we is at work. This is my van for the day. It's just a Sprinter van. When I get the EDV, I'll take a picture and do like a little tour of the EDV. So yeah, so I'll see y'all in a minute when I load up this van and show y'all how I organize and stuff like that. All right guys, so I'm all loaded up and ready to hit the road. So when you get into the warehouse, you have about 12 minutes. They say 20, but you have only 12 minutes to load your van, get it organized, get it the way it's supposed to be. So right here's my overflow, anything that can't fit in these bags right here. So those is already organized by how my stops are going to be. The only thing I will have to organize, which you will see me organize, is these bags over here. All right, y'all, I'm about to organize my tote for you guys, just so you can see what I do. So every box has a number on it. If you can see this yellow tag right here, without giving up nobody information, but there's numbers on it, so you just go in order, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how I do it. When you get to the stop will tell you what number package you need to grab. So you either gonna start at the highest number, you're gonna start at the lowest number and work your way that way. All my overflow is still over there, as you can see. Once I get to that stop, they're in order, so I just start with this one and then work my way that way. So I'm going to organize and just going to be speeded through. All right, well, that was pretty quick. So this is my organization right over there. That is about it. All right, now to my next stop. Hey, y'all. So just popping back in on this vlog. I am out getting Burger King because I got coupons in the mail. So I'm using one of my coupons to save some money. Anyway, I got Coco with me. I don't think I've ever met Coco. Say hi, Coco. Say hi. Who back there, Coco? Who back there? Coco has her own YouTube. I made Coco YouTube before I actually started taking mine actually serious. And she got more subscribers than me. Sorry, y'all. I had to move up in line. But anyway, yeah, I don't know why this damn music is so damn loud. But I should pop back in tomorrow before I go to work. I will see y'all later. We at Burger King. We get you a burger. We get you a burger. Burger for the Coco. Right, so I just came out of Family Dollar. So we got a little Family Dollar haul. Probably like 6, 7 things. I swear I always spend money before work. So my total at Family Dollar was $12.52 for a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things. $12.52. My camera sucks. Whatever. Anyway, let's see what we got. So first, I don't have like a on the road mascara, so I just bought this mascara. LA Colors Big Bold Lash Formula. It say new, but I'm pretty sure it's not new. In the color black, it says it plumps lashes, includes rubber brush. All mascara should include a rubber brush. So that was that. I bought Band-Aids because I punched a wall and kind of cut up my hand. So I bought Band-Aids, which I'm going to clean my hand and put these on. Also, I bought, because I love a good clearance. I always go to the clearance rack. Like, that's my first section when I go to any store, the clearance. We about to see what we can get on discount before we go buy stuff at full price. So I see Africa Best has a ultimate herbal oil. I don't know what's wrong with me. If I say some words that's crazy, it's just my brain don't work in the morning. But it's a multi-purpose oil for hair, bath, nails, and body. So I like to put oil in my bath. Just helps with, you know, smoothing the body out. So we got this. And this was actually $125. $125 because they reduced. My camera just don't get shit at all. Like, oh, my apologies. All right. Next, we got some apple juice. I believe they actually sell this in Dollar Tree. It's got Donald Duck on the front of it. I know the sun is like, the sun. All right, let's help out with this one. I don't think that really helped out. because the sun ain't coming from this window, it's coming from the back window. But anyway, apple juice, because I like apple juice. I actually still have my coffee, but that's for my on the road when I'm out delivering. I try not to drink too much fluids when I'm out delivering because I don't got time to be trying to find a fucking bathroom. Like, delivery drivers, like, drop it in the comments. How y'all find bathrooms? Like, I know just go to a gas station or whatnot, but I hate going into somebody's business just to use their bathroom and then not buy anything. That's just me personally. So like if I go into like a gas station, I'll pick me up a snack or something to use the bathroom. I got some M&Ms because they always have stuff like on the counter when they do like little contests in like Family Dollar. I think I only seen them in like Family Dollar, like nowhere else I've seen them. But I always buy like one of what's on the counter. But if it's something I like, I might buy two. I'm just putting it out there. Like when they do the chocolate bars, the fundraiser chocolate bars, we all know what those are because we all sold them when we was a kid in school. So don't laugh at me, y'all, but I don't have gel polish, okay? So I'm not like really a nail person. Like I do my nails, but I don't do them enough to where I want to invest in gel polish and, you know, acrylic and patty gel and stuff like that. So I just got like, I get this, the LA Colors Color Craze Gel Extreme Shine Gel Light Polish. So this is not like regular nail polish, and it's also not like gel because I don't need a UV light to use it, and it doesn't take as long to dry like regular nail polish. So I'm not sitting there for 5 minutes on one hand waiting for that to dry. No. 2 minutes, that's it. Maybe a minute. It dries pretty quickly. I got a regular nail dryer. I don't have like a UV nail dryer. Anyway. Next thing, I got this cocoa butter formula, something mini. I'd like to buy a lot of mini stuff because you're going to see in like a different clip of this vlog where I also went into Family Dollar and I bought this little kind of makeup bag, a 2-in-1 bag from Kendall and Kylie. So I've been just finding little stuff to put up in there. That's like my bag I take with me when I'm out delivery driving because it's quick for me to just put it in my hand, throw it in the van, and everything I need is in there. It's big enough for everything. Like, if I'm on that time of the month, I could put my stuff in there discreetly. You're going to see when I show it to you. So this is something I put in there. I didn't bring it today because I don't really need anything today. I try really not to bring anything with me to work because I always forget something. Like, I forgot my donut. I forgot my purse. I forget everything. But anyway, so I got this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin E. It heals, softens, concentrated cream, relieves rough, dry skin. 48-hour moisture, intense repair. So I really got this for this hand because since I punched the wall and now it hurts and I really need it to hurry up and heal up because of it. I cannot be delivering 300 packages with a fucked up hand. And then last but not least, because I like to try stuff, and we actually gonna put this to the test. We're gonna put it to the test tonight so we can see how my braid out looks tomorrow. Oh, I might have to do a twist out because it's a curl. So this is the Got to Be Twisted Curl Reviver Cream for moisturized curls and waves. So yeah, I could do the braid out because I got waves. No residue and no stickiness. 96-hour anti-frizz, curl and wave definition. Net weight 6.8 ounces. So I got this. I'm not sure of the exact price, the original price of this, but I got this out of the clearance section as well. $3. You probably can't see, but $3. So the Got to Be Twisted. I didn't even know about this. Okay. Next time when I come back to the store, more than likely it's gonna be tomorrow, I'm gonna show y'all the clearance section because they got a little bit of everything on their clearance section. Like when I need a new fix up of shampoo and conditioner, I'm coming here because they got the I think it's a Shea Moisture or something like that. But they got it on clearance. Like I'm not paying the whole $6 for it. I'm paying $2.75, $3. Can't beat it. But anyway, that's it for this haul. Yeah, the bag is empty. Empty bag. So we're just gonna put all this stuff back. I should have an Amazon haul coming, but more than likely it's not gonna be in this vlog. Because I need to learn how to start budgeting my money. Like, I'm acting like we're not in inflation. I mean, we're still not in, I call it a recession. People look at me like I'm crazy. But I gotta get myself on a budget, okay? So I will see y'all a little later when I pick up this phone again because I am recording on my phone. I have not invested into a camera because I haven't taken the time to actually like sit and plan and actually figure out my niche, if that makes sense. I'm not going to spend money until I know exactly what I want to do. That's just point blank period. But I spend money, obviously, you can see, for no reason. But anyway, that's it for this haul. I will see y'all later. Probably see y'all when y'all probably be on the van when y'all see me later. I don't know yet. Because I be seeing some beautiful ass houses, okay? And I want y'all to see them too. So let me go because I've been talking for 10 minutes.